notification. Welcome to my channel. God is able to do all things. Welcome to our family. Yeah, today I wanna carry us along on how I prepare my green plantain, how I dice it, how I preserve it, the process I go through before I'll be able to store it in the freezer, which makes it easier for me to use it whenever I want to cook it, instead of doing the process all over, processing all over again. So that is what I usually do. Last time I carried us along how we went to the market to buy stuff, and this is one of the things that I bought just showed us. So the plantain, it's now time for me to dice it into small cubes. Usually I use it to prepare green plantain porridge, which I've also showed us in one of my videos. I can equally boil it separately and eat it with egg sauce, or boil it mixed with yam. Eat it with egg sauce. I can cook it with porridge beans. Yeah, the green plantain, I can cook it with porridge beans. I can fry it, and put it as chips. So it depends on what I want to use it for at a particular point in time. So peeling it beforehand saves me a lot of time and energy. So like when I want to cook it, I'll simply bring it out of the freezer and allow it to defrost for 10 to 20 minutes before cooking it. My buying carton is cheaper for me, as well as time, going to store every now and then when I need it to go by to cook. Time of going frequenting the store, I save that energy for some other things. Yes. So, yeah, if you're new here to my channel, you're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to our family. This is our YouTube family, so you have become one of us. So I have to plead with you to subscribe. Yeah, subscribe, like, comment, keep commenting on our videos. I want it to be an interactive family where we respect each other's opinion. We play by the community rule, so you can pour out your heart and say whatever you wish to talk on, whatever you want to talk on. Okay? So usually when I do it like this, I'll have to dice it. And also, in processing it this way, I've noticed that when I buy the carton, if I process it the same day I bought it, I will have pains in my fingertips. Yeah, because it's always very hard to peel green plantain. But I have discovered that when I buy it I leave it for some days. Like this one, I've left it for like 3 days before peeling it and processing it. It's easier for me to peel, and that usually when you are peeling, you get this watery this thing that comes out of it that stains your hand. But if you allow it for some days, that will come out. That liquid or fluid will not come out. You will not notice it again. But I would advise you that if you want to buy it to do the way I prepare it, the way I'm preparing it, to preserve your plantain the way I'm preserving it, you have to ensure you buy the green one that have not ripened, because if you buy the one that's almost ripened, you discover that before it lasts, it stays 2 to 3 days, the whole thing will be ripe. So it's better when you go in and buy. Look at it very well, that is very greenish and fresh, so it doesn't ripe before you peel and dice it. Okay? So when I want to boil it, I will slice it to a bigger size. Okay? This one down doesn't now. This one. Porridge. Please, we use plantain for several things. So you can use it to prepare swallow. Yeah. You can use it to prepare porridge. You can fry it. You can boil it, roast it. Yeah? Several ways you can use the young plantain. And people will look at this pattern and say, how long is it going to take you to finish this pattern? In less than 1 hour, I'm done with this. Yes. Because sometimes my husband do help me, but he worked last night, so he's sleeping right now. I have to do it on my own. Okay? Because I don't want the black, and why I also want to do it today in particular. I'm working from today till Wednesday. So if I should say, let me leave it till Thursday, that I'll be completing before the whole thing would have ripened, which not be good for me. So let me just manage and do it before I start going to work today. When preparing your porridge with plantain, you can use meat, fish, whatever protein of your choice that you want to use to prepare it. And vegetable, I do add vegetable, a lot of vegetable when preparing my porridge plantain. Okay. That food that I talk about is the food that stains your clothes. And when it stains your clothes, it will be very difficult for you to wash it off. So I discovered that with this process, it doesn't stain. You will not see that food. Okay? Okay, family. Come back. Now I have gotten the quantity that I will need for porridge, for cooking porridge. I have like 3 parts here. From these 3 parts, it's most likely I use each pack twice. So now it's time for me to cut the ones for boiling. Yeah. I'm gonna put them into 2. So this one we're gonna eat with egg sauce or tomato sauce, beef sauce, vegetable sauce, please. Okay? So how we do this for that mess? I was trying to be fast. And also I also want to share with us that whenever we are trying to do this, we should use kitchen knife that have a pointed edge, like this one. It makes it easier for you to penetrate into the skin of the plantain and be able to do it faster than using any kitchen knife that has a broad edge or wide edge, so to say. So the knife with a pointed edge makes it easier and simple for you to peel your plantain. Like I told us before, that if I allow it to stay like 3 days, that fluid that usually comes out of fresh plantain will not come out. That even is a fresh one. Wow. And because at this point, all my fingers would have, especially this particular one that is most needed for the job, will be aching me. But because I have allowed it to, what term should I use to describe what's the process that it has passed through for the past 2 days? Like dehydrate, yes. The water content in it, or the liquid content in it, that's sticky, has dehydrated a little. So with this now, with the dehydration, it makes it easy for you to pick. See that whole cotton, I just did like 1 hour, in 30 minutes or 45 minutes. Yeah, it's not 1 hour I started. I'm almost done. So in the next 10 minutes or so, we'll be done doing this. Remember, storing and packaging. It's not as difficult as you can do it. Also, from this plantain, I'm gonna be able to separate the ones that I'm gonna roast. In Nigeria, especially the eastern part of Nigeria, we like roasted plantain. So here I've discovered ways to roast my plantain. Enjoy my roasted with African sauce, with my otas leaf. Though my otas leaf is not fresh, it's a dried one. Fresh pepper, fresh onion. Sometimes I do add tomato. I roast it with my oven. Roast it as if you are grilling it. Maybe that will roast anything but my textbook craze for roasted plantain. I will carry you along on how I do it. I enjoy it with my pomo. I have my pomo here. My cow leg, Yeah, in some stores, African store in particular, and some other, I don't know, this Spanish stores bought cow skin. For more the milk, yes, I bought it and I used to cook, and it's as tasty as Nigerian pot, because that cow they roasted it. It's not the one they skin with cold water. So that's what I was trying to show you. In this now, anytime I want to boil my plantain, I'll just bring it out from freezer. Allow it to defrost for some minutes. Sometimes I put it inside the pot without defrosting it. Add little water to it before it moves. All that thing is stuff. So go ahead. This is the way I continue until I get like 2 or 3 bags. That will be okay. Okay, finally, and now putting it inside the freezer for storage. Okay. So there we go. Freezer is filled up. I just put everything. And that's it. Also rough. Still the African stuff. So some carrots. So everything is ready. We are done. So in the next 3 months, I will not go to buy green plantain. Though within these 3 months, if I crave for ripe plantain, I'll go to the store and get it and fry that one. Because although in the store they still have processed ripe plantain, most times I don't like it. I don't like the taste. I don't like the texture. So I like my plantain when it's fresh. The one they've already processed and put in the freezer, when you fry it, it's too soft and sticky. The taste is not fresh. So I rather go buy new one, fresh one, fry it, and get the maximum nutrition or benefits or whatever. Derive the joy of eating fresh one. Right.